Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's bundle of printables that's now available in my Junk Journal Printables Club. If you want to know more about the club, you can find the link in the description below. This is the beginning of a new year in the Printables Club, and to kick this year's session off, I'm sharing the O Roses Printable Junk Journal. This printable set includes 10 printable papers or junk journal pages, 5 pages of junk journal elements and ephemera, and a bonus printable junk journal template. The template is a pocket card and tag set that can be used with your own papers, such as printable papers or scrapbook papers, and you can also use it with digital papers. Included also is a bonus set of 20 printable basic junk journal papers that can be used in any of your junk journals, as well as a set of printable junk journal spine and signature hole templates. The printable pages can be used to make pages for your junk journals or used as tear or collage sheets. I'm inserting these pages that I printed into my No-Sew journal. You can also use them with my page templates to create quick and easy creative junk journal pages. These templates can be purchased separately in my online store. There are lots of elements and ephemera included in this kit, including several different types of pockets and some vintage ephemera and clip art. These pieces are designed to coordinate with the pages, so you can use the pages as a backing page to print on the back of the sheets. It's best to print the pockets on cardstock to make sure they don't tear when you use them. And the ephemera can be printed on thick copy paper or cardstock, depending on how you're going to use the pieces. If you aren't able to cut the pieces out precisely and there's bits of white showing, simply run around the edges of the paper with an ink pad and applicator. The pockets can be attached by applying some glue around the edges and then pressing in place. I've also included some fun round pockets, and these are easy to assemble in several different ways. To assemble, run some glue around the edges of the semicircle pockets and press onto the background. You can use one pocket or angle them and make a double pocket. Included each month is a bonus junk journal template. This month's template is a pocket card and tag set. The template is available in two formats, PDF for easy printing and PNG, which you can use in a photo editing program such as Photoshop or Photoshop Elements or even Canva. Included also are two different styles, one with a border for a vintage style finish and one with no border for a clean edge finish. When using the PDF file, all you need to do is insert your own paper into your printer, open the PDF file in a PDF reader, and then print and cut out the pieces. When your paper is inserted into the printer, make sure the page scaling option in your PDF reader is set to none, so that the template prints at the correct size. Once printed, cut out the pieces. You can use any type of pattern paper, such as scrapbook paper or even printable paper. I've printed two of the printable junk journal pages from this kit onto a piece of cardstock, one on the front and one on the back. The PNG files give you more options for designing using different types of digital papers. To get started, open the PNG file in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or even Canva. I'm using the Affinity Photo program. It's really easy to use these templates. Simply insert a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. The great thing about using the PNG templates is that you can add different papers to different sections of the template. Just make sure to place the papers on a layer underneath the template and then position them wherever you want. Once you're happy with the layout, you can save the file in the native file format so you can come back and edit it if you need to and print it out at a later time. Or you can just print it directly from your program. For best results, print onto a piece of cardstock. Once you have printed the set, you can assemble it in several different ways. You can cut out each of the pieces individually so that you end up with two cards and two tags. Or you can cut out the double card and tag in one piece, fold it over and glue it together. There are a variety of different pockets included, and you can arrange them in all sorts of different ways. To attach the pockets, apply some glue around the bottom and side edges and press onto the card or tag. You can layer the pockets by overlapping 2 or more and gluing them in place. You can also make folded cards and tags with pockets inside. After you've designed and printed the set onto cardstock, print a backing on the other side. Fold the card and tag in half and press a crease down the middle. Then arrange the pockets on the inside.